Right there is the remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice on the edge of the remote there is that button. All we have to do is just press that button down and then slide out the key. Once the key is taken out, now make sure the button portion is staying at the bottom and the Honda logo is staying at the top. The side where we took out the key from, the top edge of the key we will slide in right here, just like that. Once it's in position, then we will just tilt the key to take out the cover on top. There it is. You would notice the top portion is taken apart, just like that. And that is our battery right there. We will use a screwdriver like this. Now we'll hold on to the module just like that. Try punching in the screwdriver on the side of the battery to pull it outwards. And there you would notice the battery is taken apart. It is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign which is at the top, it stays at the top. So we'll go ahead and punch in the battery inside the remote. Just make sure it's slided in into those two tabs first, because the module itself has some tabs. Once slided in, then we will push it downwards. There it is, the battery is completely in. Just make sure the module is in position and not coming out from the edges. It seems like it's good. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the other side on top of it. We'll carefully punch in the other side and making sure it is aligned from all over the edges. It seems like it is. Now we will press both sides together until both of them are completely in. This side is in. The other side is also completely in. We double check to see all the sides are completely in, and it seems like all is good. Now we'll go ahead and slide in the key where we took it out from. With the key slided in, that wraps up the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.